Okay, now we're going to create views, and first we change the face to be a current UCS, the front face to be a current one, and then you switch to viewport layout 1 and delete that existing one and start solid view to create a new UCS current one as the current one was the front, and then scale for this one change to 0.5 half scale, and select the point where the front view would be. And once you are satisfied with the location, press enter to define your port. Just a little bit more, that's the good place for front view, and then define the port with 2 points, and then name this one front. Next, select ortho, select the upper portion of this front view, and then click a point on the top of the front view, and that would be considered your top view. Define the port and name this one top. Now this location we need to move a little bit to the left. Select both of them at the same time on the port. You can select only the ports because you're on the paper space. You cannot select the model because models are created on the model space. By selecting both rectangles and then move to slightly to the left, so you have more space for the isometric view that we are going to create. Next, we're going to change the UCS to view option, UCS view, and this is the one we create isometric with. Enter solve view tool again, solve view command on the command line, and then select the UCS. Your current UCS is the view, so that would bring in isometric, the same scale, 0.5. Select the point for the location, and once you decide the location, press enter to accept, and then define the port. Name ISO for this view. Now after that, we have one more operation. As you saw in the previous assignment, we will do ISO solid draw, and this is the one actually creates the drawing, as this stage is still 3D. Once you select all the ports and press enter after that, and this is the stage that is created, the 2D drawing. And make sure that you take care of the layers and freeze the ISO hidden, and then change the line thickness, line type as we did in the previous one, and just to manage your layers. That's each command that you create, solve view, creates 3 different layers, and at this time we are not adding dimensions, just to take care of line type and line thickness. For object lines, all the visible lines, make sure it's 0.5, and for hidden lines, select the existing downloaded line type. If you're not seeing your hidden on your template, make sure you load first. And the color we change for hidden to see some we have some visualization on the screen, so we know we have changed the layer correctly. And if your line is still solid, that means it's not selected correctly. That happens because there are many layers here. It's easy to make a mistake on those selections. Okay, this is the stage that we are changing all the line types and color and finish the drawing. Okay, now this is what happens usually, and I'm going to go back and see what the color change. Apparently we selected current color, current layer. It's but it's not selected the right line type. We need to make sure that line type is corrected, selected correctly. Okay. Okay, under the VP line type, viewport line type, and that is right at this point. Okay, so that completes your views, and go back to change your title block information, and don't forget to create the PDF, also print as a PDF, submit PDF along with your original drawing. So at this stage, add in all those. So that should complete your assignment.